Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. You can see I have got one box from Amazon and I'm opening it. Let's see what's inside this box. So I have opened the box and taking out the bottle that I have got from Amazon, and this is no cap jack of all hair products. This looks amazing, you can see it. This is of blue color, and price also you can see it's of 4.99. so this is a hair styling powder. You can style your hair if you are going outside or you are going in the party, then you can apply this product, that is powder, on your hair and you can style your hair. So this is the unboxing video of no cap jack of all hair products. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.